Pastoral elegy. It is a type of poem that laments the death of a loved one or a public figure while imagining the setting as an idyllic rural landscape. The word pastoral comes from the Latin for shepherd, and it represents an idealized version of nature where life is peaceful and uncomplicated. The word elegy, on the other hand, refers to a mournful poem or a song written to honor someone who has died. Put them together, and you get a poetic form that uses the tranquility of nature to explore themes of loss, mortality, and remembrance. One of the earliest and most famous examples of pastoral elegy is Lycidas by John Milton, written in 1637. This poem mourns the death of Milton's friend, Edward King, who drowned at sea. In the poem, Milton imagines King as a shepherd named Lycidas, living among the fields and streams of an idyllic countryside. Through this pastoral lens, Milton reflects not only on his friend's untimely death, but also on larger questions about life's fleeting nature and the search for meaning in the face of loss. But pastoral elegies aren't just about mourning, they are also about finding comfort in nature. The countryside serves as a backdrop for processing grief because it symbolizes peace, simplicity, and timelessness. For example, in Thomas Gray's elegy written in a country churchyard, the quiet rural setting becomes a space to reflect on the lives of ordinary people buried there, celebrating their humble contributions even as they rest eternally. Pastoral elegy reminds us that grief is a shared human experience and that nature can help us heal. By placing loss within the context of the natural world, these poems highlight the interconnectedness of all life. Even today, when we scatter ashes in gardens, plant trees in memory of loved ones, or find peace in a sunset after saying goodbye, we are participating in the same impulse that inspired pastoral elegists centuries ago. In Shelley's Adonais, he mourns the death of fellow poet John Keats by imagining him as Adonis, a mythological figure associated with beauty and rebirth. Through this pastoral imagery, Shelley transforms personal grief into a celebration of art and immortality.